Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Education with Srividya. In this video, we are going to discuss about grade 9 polynomials and factorization, dividing a polynomial. So many will be getting doubt how to divide a polynomial. So generally if you divide 25 by 3 is given. So divide 25 by 3. So then how to do? 3 obviously 25. 3 8s 24. So 5 minus 4. So you will be getting 1. So this is nothing but remainder. And this is quotient. This is dividend. And this is called as a divisor. So obviously we have a rule that dividend, this is denoted by capital D, dividend this is denoted by small d, this is denoted by Q, and this is denoted by R. Dividend D is equals to, okay, so divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is the verification rule for each and every division which you needs to do. Now I will take one small example how to do it. So let us take one example, 2x square plus x plus 1, which is dividing by x. Now how to solve it? So this x is in division with the whole equation. Now 2x square divided by x plus x divided by x plus 1 divided by x. That means that this x belongs to each and every term in this given equation. Now, so this 1x, single x and 1x will go cancel. That means how you are doing it, let me explain you in detail. So a to the power of this, if nothing is there, to the power of 1. So a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, in the sense a to the power of m minus n. So x to the power of 2 minus 1. So x to the power of 2 minus 1 is x to the power of 1. So in that way you can do it. Like directly we used to cut 1x. So 1x will remain. 2x plus, so this x and this x goes cancel, 1 plus 1 by x. This is how finally we got. And in the other method you used to do when x divides with 2x square, so plus x plus 1. So how to do it? So you used to do it, you used to take the first terms of it. This is 2x square and this is x. Normally how to do division in this way? So first you need to take the first term 2x square and divide with x. So 1x will goes cancel and 2x will remains over here. Now you need to take that. So 2x multiplied by x will become 2x square. Got it? So 2x square. So when you subtract, this goes cancel and you need to take the next term x and plus 1. So x plus 1. So x first will go on with x and x. So if you take plus here, plus symbol plus 1, x plus 1 x. Okay. So first we will take, let us take x value first and then we will go on with the constant part. So okay, minus x and minus x will go cancel and 1 is a remainder over here. So let us discuss about remainder theorem. Let p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1. So that means p of x should be greater than or equals to 1. So and let a be any real number. So here a should be any real number. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a. So, p of x you need to divide with the linear polynomial x minus a. Then the remainder is p of a. We need to prove this remainder theorem. So, for that we have learned dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So, as we have already discussed about the verification rule. So, dividend equal to p of x, divisor is equals to g of x and quotient equal to q of x plus r. So, this is what the equation which we have written relating to the division theorem. So, division algorithm theorem. So, here what is given in the question? When it is divided, when p of x is divided by x linear polynomial x minus a, that means when the number is divided means it will become divisor. That means g of x will become x minus a. So, p of x is equals to x minus a multiplied by q of x plus r. So, here x minus a will be the divisor which is given in the equation. So, since z of x, you can write since z of x equal to x minus a. So, since the degree of x minus a is 1. So, what is the degree of x minus a is equals to 1. So, and what is the degree of r? So, degree of r is constant, that is k, which will be 0. So, which is less than or equals to 1. Am I right? R is less than or equals to 1. So, p of x equal to x minus a is a g of x and then q of x plus k. In place of r we are writing k because r is a constant, and in the given equation if x is equals to a. So, here x is equals to a, let us substitute x is equals to a, p of a is equals to, so a minus a into q of a plus k. So, p of a is equals to a minus a will become 0, 0 multiplied by any constant and anything will become whole 0, p of a is equals to 0 plus k. So, p of a is equals to k. I hope k is equals to 0 because p of a is equals to 0 value given, hence it is proved. Hence we have proved the remainder theorem. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.